Hi guys. So once again, I request you all to just keep the keep it kind of keep it. Tolerate this, please, because today also you're just going to get my voice. My face is not visible. I know. Okay. So today's topic is about examinations, right? So we all have gone through the stage where we have to sit or we are supposed to prove ourselves, like through an exam or test, somewhat like that. So the exam can be of different types. There can be exams that life take. There can be exams uh, the situation takes. There can be tests which kind of the god takes from you to prove yourself or to make yourself better. Okay, these tests are necessary in life, and the very simplest form is written examination, right? Examination, which is about reading some books, getting some ideas regarding that, and understanding what is the text is trying to convey. The examination of schools, the examinations of colleges, the examinations, uh, various institutions, organizations, commissions takes to make yourself eligible, to make you prove yourself. Those exams are not worthy of being in tension, being in insecurity. These written examinations are not worthy enough to get you in such a situation where you feel yourself frustrated or boring or burdensome. No, these examinations are not meant for these type of issues. These examinations do not meant for this purpose. It's a simple and easy purpose. It has a simple and easy purpose, that is to just make the other person who will be reading your exam, to make that person kind of assure, to make that person assured that yes, you have gone through the text, you have understood what was needed to be understand. Okay, the problem that we are facing or the students nowadays facing because of examination is not the cause of exam. The exams are not the cause of their tension, but the cause of their tension is our perceptions, the society's perception towards examination. We begin to perceive a notion regarding examination, that examination is all about showing your ability, who you actually are, right? The examination can predict that what you are, what is your level, what is your potential. This is what is the major problem. This is the major problem that every student is dealing with in this world, in this contemporary situation. Your examination, okay, what you have understood through the stories, what morals, what values, what ideas, what innovative and different views that you have cultivated is one thing, but your potential your passion, your ability is far beyond this limited kind of aspect. Yes, exams do have importance, they are important, but they still they still cannot predict what you are, who you are, what potential you have, and how eligible you are, right? Examinations are just a kind of a test, a simple test, not more than that. One thing also that I want to kind of add, that we compare ourselves. Okay, the previous issue that I have mentioned was is a societal issue, but what is our own kind of major problem, which is created by ourselves, is we ourselves begin to think like examinations are going to tell that are we better or someone else. Yeah, that's what the here what here where here is where the concept of toppers, okay, the concept of toppers comes. Various coaching centers, various schools, and on the consequences, as the consequences, even parents too nowadays want that my children, my boy, my girl should be the topper of the school, of the institution, of the organization, of the district, of the state, of the board. And in this unnecessary race, we participate. We forget that what is the main purpose of the various organization, coaching centers, schools, just to gain profit, not more than that. We forget this. We forget this, right? Every school wants a topper who must be in from their school. Every school want that the topper of the district or of the board should be from from uh, the school. That is why they use greed. They use the desires, okay, temptations, like they announce that if the topper would get a car, the topper would get cash prize, the topper would get gifts, luxury or expensive gifts. And when these institutions do this, almost 70% student just enroll, just get engaged, just participate indirectly in the competition, in the race, which do not have any kind of which has nothing to do with their life, with their future, with their ability, with their potential, with their passion. But just they use a human tendency, greed, to want something, to kind of earn something. At one point, this is not wrong to get something, to have a desire to get expensive thing by just studying and be the topper. Okay, this is not bad, but through this strategy, what we have done is that we have changed the objective, we have changed the notion toward the objective, the perception towards the studies. This has become a prominent problem. This has become famous. This prevails in the society that the topper is someone who gets much more, who gets respect, who get kind of validation. Otherwise, if you are not the topper, if you are not good or kind of extraordinary in the studies, it means that you are not worthy enough to get teachers attention, you know, teachers respect. You are not a boy or a girl who is considered to be someone who can do excel in his life, someone who can provide service, provide kind of can give something to the society. Okay, this kind of just a strategy to get students enroll in their school, in their coaching centers. These strategies, the dirty strategy has changed everything towards test studies. The main objective of the study of the examination is to just prove yourself, yaar. Just to you have much more potential. Okay, you 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 need to know this, that your potential is much more what you think. Okay, exam will not decide your potential. It is certainly not going to do that. You are someone who cannot be evaluated on the basis of an exam, on the basis of books. It may happen that you have some different passion, but here you can you are a potential football player, you can be a potential cricket player, you can be a potential singer, you can be a athlete or someone. For that you just don't need to get 90%, 80%. And nowadays the person who are getting 90, 80%, 99%, they are just not the kind of enjoying or living the study time period, study phase. They are just kind of just gripping, just sliding themselves to just get a job. They are rote learning. They just want to rut the things and just vomit into the exam paper. They don't understand what is the importance of this in real life. They know that after doing this I'll get some job through which I'll be earning this and this much money, and through that money I'll be buying a house, a car, a good girl will be there, I'll get respect, I'll get luxury, I'll enjoy life. I mean, the sole purpose is money. This is the result. This is the result of the dirty strategies of the coaching centers. Nobody nowadays, 97% of the students are not studying for the right purpose. Like, they're not studying to to explore themselves, to know how things work, to know their potential, to learn, to make themselves worthy enough to live the life. Okay, they are reluctant to take risk. Nowadays if we say someone that study, but there will be no job for you. Okay, you have to do anything, and your studies are nothing to do with that. You just need to study to be a better person, more intelligent, but you'll not get a job. There are least chances that anyone who will enroll or will want to study in that kind of system, because job will be not there, business will be so risky. Nowadays लोग जानते हैं कि यार मैं ये पढ़ लूँगा तो मुझे ये वाली जॉब पक्की है ना. दैट वाई दे आर जस्ट रटिंग. वो चीज़ों को रटते हैं, चीज़ों को समझते हैं, लेकिन उसका जो मेन पर्पस है उन किताबों का कि यार उन चीज़ों को आपको समझना तो है, लेकिन आपको वो 30% चीज़ों से 70% आपको कल्टीवेट करनी है. वो चीज़ें सिर्फ चिंगारी लगाने के लिए हैं. किताबें चिंगारी लगाती हैं, उस चिंगारी के बाद ज्वाला आपको जलानी है, ज्वालामुखी आपको बनाना है. ये है सोल पर्पस किताबों का. आपको रट्टाफिकेशन नहीं करना है भाई साहब. एग्ज़ाम्स आपके रट्टाफिकेशन के लिए नहीं है. एग्ज़ाम्स है किसी लिए कि यार आपने वो ज्वाला जला पाई. हाँ चलो सिस्टम जैसा भी है, लेकिन हमारा जो हम तो जानते हैं ना कि रियलिटी क्या है. आप लोग जो वीडियो देख रहे हैं वो तो कम से कम ये जान गए कि क्या रियलिटी है. देखो 30% ही मिलेगा, रट्टाफिकेशन को भी मतलब नहीं है. आग 70% आपको लगानी है और ज्वालामुखी जैसे ही क्वेश्चन आएंगे, याद रखना. वो पूछेंगे ये यार आपने जो करना था वो किया कि नहीं. हाँ खैर इस पे तो भैया पूरा सिस्टम ही चेंज करना पड़ जाएगा. नौकरी वोकरी क्योंकि यार मैं भी यही सोचता था कि यार बढ़िया पढ़ूंगा तो कोई बढ़िया नौकरी लगेगी, लेकिन अब मुझे कोई चिंता नहीं है. मुझे पता है कि अगर मैं पढ़ लूँगा तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ तगड़ा करूँगा ही करूँगा. बस इतना पता है मुझे. तो मैं तो शानदार तरीके से पढ़ रहा हूँ, मज़े ले रहा हूँ पूरे फुल हैं. चलो भाई ठीक है, आज के लिए इतना ही. बाकी कल बात करेंगे और किसी टॉपिक के बारे में. ठीक है, बाय बाय.